Okay, as you can see, I've got this beautiful Grand Western Reserve Angus filet. It's been trimmed to steak ready. It's called a Chateaubriand. It's about 2.5 pounds, and we're gonna bring some festive flavors to this. So we're gonna make a glaze for it. So let's get started. Port wine in. Smooth cranberry sauce. Mashed roasted garlic. Lots of lemon zest. Kosher salt. Cracked pepper in. Now let's bring this all together. Okay, I've got my consistency where I want it. It's got a nice glazed consistency, as you can see. We're taking this off the fire. The flavor is exactly where I want it to be. We're gonna get our Chateau ready to go in the oven, and we're gonna glaze. Okay, so let's take this Chateau and get it seasoned and ready for the pan. Liberal sprinkling of kosher salt, all sides. Liberal sprinkling of black pepper. Now we're gonna hit this with just a little bit of oil, a little lubrication, a little flavor. Now we're ready to go into the hot pan. Our pan is smoking hot, a little bit of oil in the pan. Let's get this Chateau nice and brown and ready for the oven. Okay, we're fully seared into a roasting rack, ready for the oven. Okay, so the Chateau's been taken out of the oven once. It's been glazed once. As you can see, there's some glaze on it. We're gonna glaze it a few times, and this glaze is gonna caramelize as the Chateau cooks. Okay, so our glazed Chateau is out of the oven. It's rested, so let's pull it from the pan. Let's bring it over to the board, and let's slice it. Look at how beautiful this is. It's glazed, it's caramelized. The flavors are just waiting for us. It's medium rare, it's gorgeous. I can't wait to taste this. This is a festive dish if I've ever seen one. So with these beautiful sweet flavors, let's bring them some nice oven roasted carrots. Let's go with some acorn squash that's been roasted with some bourbon scented honey. Let's go with some butternut squash here. Some roasted Brussels sprouts, some fingerling potatoes, rosemary sprig to top it off. Happy holidays.